Hello, this is Garden Center. Malik speaking.
Hi, yes, I have some questions about my garden. Can you help me?
Yes, ma'am, I can. What are your questions?
Well, first of all, I'm wondering what kind of plants you could recommend for my garden. I'm a beginner, it's not very big.
I would suggest flowers. They are pretty low maintenance. You just water them and give them some fertilizer if they look like they aren't growing too well.
A flower garden does sound nice. Could I buy flower seeds at Garden Center?
Of course you can. I can set some aside for you when you get here. Any other questions?
Thanks. I think my only other question is what tools would you recommend me get for my garden?
Well, you'll need a shovel for sure, and probably a spade.
Shovel and spade. Okay, what else?
A hose would be helpful if you don't already have one, and a watering can. You also might need some pots depending on which flowers you get.
Okay, I can do that. This doesn't sound too hard.
Anyone can garden if you start small. It isn't until you get advanced that it gets really time consuming to manage, but as long as you start small and work your way bigger, you'll be just fine.
Thanks, Malik. You've been very helpful. I'll come over to pick up my supplies later today.
Alright, I'll have them waiting for you. Good luck with your garden and thanks for calling the garden center.
Thank you. I'll be sure to call again if I have any more questions.
Sounds good. Goodbye, Sophia.
Bye, Malik.